The 2026 Toyota Crown transcends the traditional sedan. It's a meticulously engineered, all-hybrid platform, seamlessly integrating standard all-wheel drive with a sophisticated digital ecosystem. With its commanding elevated architecture in 4 distinct grades: XLE, Limited, Nightshade, and Platinum, Toyota Crown orchestrates a symphony of intelligent refinement and responsive performance. This is not merely transportation. It's a profound statement of progressive mobility, where pioneering innovation and visionary design converge to redefine the driving experience. The 2026 Toyota Crown's unique lift-up design and coupe-like profile immediately signal a forward-thinking approach. Superior illumination from standard LED lighting sharpens the exterior's look. Available 21-inch alloy wheels further emphasize its bold presence. Toyota Crown Platinum enhances its presence with available bi-tone exterior colors, offering a personalized, modern aesthetic. Toyota Crown Nightshade delivers a distinct blackout look, with 21-inch matte black finished alloy wheels, dark exterior badging and window trim, black painted door handles, outdoor mirrors, and shark fin antenna, creating a cohesive, streamlined look. An available panoramic fixed glass roof opens the cabin to natural light. Toyota Crown Platinum features a standard hands-free power trunk, adding practical, effortless utility. Its distinct design isn't just about looks, it's a statement of progressive style. In the 2026 Toyota Crown, comfort transcends a mere feature, becoming a seamlessly integrated and intelligently refined experience. Standard heating and ventilated 8-way power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, and dual-zone automatic climate control, all designed to help enhance comfort. For an elevated experience, standard heated outboard rear seats offer passengers warmth tailored for extended journeys. The Platinum grade's power tilt and telescopic steering wheel allows for effortless customization. The smart key system provides seamless vehicle access, eliminating the need to fumble for keys. For further keyless convenience, the optional digital key, accessible through an active remote connect trial or subscription, transforms your smartphone into a powerful vehicle command center, allowing you to lock, unlock, and even start remotely. 5 USB ports and a standard Qi-compatible wireless charger ensure the constant connectivity for mobile devices. Toyota Crown includes a standard 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster designed to help keep the driver's focus on the road. The Platinum's trim further enhances this with a standard 10-inch head-up display. Beyond the digital cockpit, Toyota Crown delivers a refined driving experience, balancing smooth comfort with responsive sportiness. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Crown leverages its electrified powertrain lineup to deliver a seamless blend of power and efficiency. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid system, standard on the XLE, Limited, and Nightshade, provide a responsive 236 net combined horsepower. For those prioritizing peak performance, Toyota Crown Platinum features the Hybrid Max powertrain, pairing a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission and 2 electric motors. The high-performance hybrid system delivers a potent 340 net combined horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Regardless of grade, Toyota Crown is designed to help provide confident handling thanks to its standard all-wheel drive system. XLE, Limited, and Nightshade grades utilize electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, intelligently distributing power between the front and rear wheels for confident handling. The Platinum grade's full-time electronic all-wheel drive system prioritizes rear-wheel power, enhancing its performance-focused driving dynamics. Furthermore, Toyota Crown Platinum comes standard with an adaptive variable suspension system and drive mode adjustability, allowing drivers to fine-tune the balance between responsive performance and a comfortable ride. The dynamic rear steering system on the Platinum grade further enhances the driving experience. At higher speeds, the rear wheels turn in the same direction as the front, optimizing stability and responsiveness. At lower speeds, the rear wheels turn in opposite direction, enhancing low-speed maneuverability. The XLE, Limited, and Nightshade grades have an EPA estimated 41 miles per gallon combined rating, while the Platinum grade has an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon combined rating. All of this advanced engineering is complemented by intuitive technologies, ensuring Toyota Crown's impressive performance is paired with modern convenience for every journey. The 2026 Toyota Crown integrates advanced technologies for a truly connected driving experience. Every grade features the Toyota Audio Multimedia platform with a 12.3-inch touchscreen. This interface includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, podcast, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. All grades include trials to Toyota's connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect, creating a comprehensive digital ecosystem. The Limited, Nightshade, and Platinum grades enhance the auditory experience with an 11-speaker JBL premium audio system. Toyota Crown's technology creates an intelligent, connected experience for the driver, paving the way for efficient, future-forward journeys. Toyota Crown's technology extends beyond connectivity to encompass advanced active safety, ensuring a proactive and secure driving experience. Every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist, all working in harmony to anticipate and mitigate potential hazards. Driver assistance features like the standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and safe exit alert provide enhanced situational awareness, while available technologies like front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and the panoramic view monitor simplify maneuvering in challenging spaces. Toyota Crown's available advanced park automates the parking process, making tight spaces effortlessly accessible. Available driver assist features, such as front cross traffic alert, lane change assist, and traffic jam assist, with an active Drive Connect trial or subscription, are designed to help elevate the driving experience by streamlining driving through congested traffic on controlled access freeways. Driven by its unique style, sophisticated driving dynamics, and user-centric technologies, Toyota Crown pioneers a new era for sedans, uniting electrified performance with intelligent design in a truly compelling form. Every Toyota Crown includes Toyota Care, providing 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2 years of unlimited mileage, 24-hour roadside assistance, ensuring peace of mind from day one. As a hybrid, every Toyota Crown includes an 8-year, 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. Reinforcing Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability. Experience the sedan reimagined. Discover the 2026 Toyota Crown today at toyota.com.